Good girl. There's over there. Mommy moved them. Grab another piece. Good girl.
Another one? Kitty.
Good girl.
Pig. What's the pig say? What's the pig say? She thought for a long time about that one.
Yeah. Get it in there, honey.
She will.
Good job.
That's a horse. It's a horse thing. It's a horsey thing. Chicken? What's a cow say? No! What's a sheep say? Good job. You almost got it. Yay! One more. One more. You almost got the whole puzzle.
Put the duck in. Can you put the duck in?
Can you do the bird? She's like so much work.
Put the duck in, honey.
But then after she knows where they go, she likes to clean them out and then put them in the backpack. Can you get it?
Duck's tricky.
It's really tricky. It's probably one of the harder pieces. Yay!